Hello everybody, Jackson here from the Well Squad. Today we'll be catching up on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. We're going to get a general sense of the market, see how it's doing, and I'll share my thoughts on it. So as you can see, I drew a couple lines here. This is from the 2017 peak at 20K, and you can see it's still applicable at the latter part of last year. And then we have this line at 30K, where it hit multiple times back in the earlier part of the year, and then just really hard recently, only 40 days ago. So that's why I drew that line. And then this one at the 42 range was the resistance on January 8th, and then it passed through, and then it was also this support resistance line from May to August, and it finally passed that. So what I'm thinking is Bitcoin will fall back down to this 42 line. It did hit a peak of 63,000 in April, and I think Bitcoin will pass that, right? I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Short term, not so much. I do expect to pull back to 42, which is only, let's see here, I'm talking max 11% correction in the short term. But this is after a run up from July 21st to now of 61%. At the peak was 70. So it's not like we just had a whole bunch of gains, right? And it's not like we're starving for gains. It's a little bit of pullback. Bitcoin may rise at the end of the year, like the winter. That's when it ran, earlier last year and back in 2017 when Bitcoin was really becoming hot. And I was going to talk about, Ethereum and the major cryptocurrencies, but Bitcoin really is the market mover. If you see Bitcoin down 10%, you better believe you're going to see Ethereum down 10%, Binance coin down 10%, and all the other major coins. But just talking about the major coins, Cardano, which is ADA, recently passed Binance coin in terms of market cap. And we could see, it's on a great run up. I did talk about this on Instagram. We made a post about Cardano, and it's kind of like Ethereum, yet there's no platform being built around Cardano, just like there is with Ethereum. There is a platform with Ethereum, although Cardano is promising one. So we're going to see if they fulfill that promise. If not, of course, the price will correct. But apparently the market thinks that they will have a platform soon. So just since that 21st of July, rise in Bitcoin, we could see that Cardano did double that, or almost triple, 160%, went from $1.05 to $2.80. And another one to look out for is Solana. We look on Binance, as it's not on Coinbase apparently, and you could see since that 21st of July market bottom, Solana is up 380% from $23 to 111, right? So those are some coins to look out for, right? Those are all-time highs. You can see Ethereum is doing pretty well, while Bitcoin is up 70% from these lows, or 60. Ethereum is up 83, just because the push with NFTs, which have been really, really hot lately, which are just like pixelated or, videos that you can buy on the blockchain. And after you buy them, you get the full rights to them. It is kind of a craze right now, maybe the top, or maybe just starting, who knows. But all we know that it is really, really hot right now. And that's another push of why Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin in the last, month or two. This right here is the market cap. But that's my thoughts on Bitcoin, right? We could go back to the chart. And, we'll see what happens. But I do think that Bitcoin will hit this 42 line once again in the next couple of days, maybe a couple weeks. But, crypto is a very speculative asset, and you should have some, right? It's some sort of hedge or speculative asset in your portfolio, you should definitely have it, and you should be bullish on it if you aren't already. But in the short term, I'm not too bullish, but in the long term, of course I am. I'm going to keep buying it. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin and, Cardano and Solana. So if you have any thoughts of your own, leave it in the comment section down below. We want to hear what you think. And watch out for videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So that's about it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you later.